storming outside. Hail's hitting the windows. Look at here. Hear it? Can you hear the hail hitting the windows? Hope my plants don't blow away. My garden. Sorry I knocked dishes down. Everything else. It's storming outside. Hear the hail hitting the windows? You can hear it. You can see it bouncing. The hail. It's been cool this week. Today was only like 73. Tonight's supposed to be like 52. And about 3 or 4 nights from now, we're supposed to get down to 38. We have been being about 48 to about 55 at night. We're supposed to dip down into the 30s within the next 3 or 4 days. The lights blinking on and off. Look at that. Hear the hail? See the wind blowing the trees? You can't see the wind, but you can see the trees blowing by the wind because of the wind. It's a stormy evening on this Sunday. Hear that thunder? How's the weather in your neck of the woods? Big O's out. Give me those thumbs up. Sharing my videos help me to grow right here on the Big O Show. First time watching, please subscribe. Stormy weather. Big O's out. I will see you all on down the road. Later, Gators. Well, it dropped about 1.5 inches of rain because that's what it filled up one of my metal planters around back. So it dropped 1.5 inches of rain in about 20 minutes. Look at this rainbow. This is after the storm has moved on. Look at the rainbow. Is that beautiful or what? You tell me. That's beautiful. All right, my friends. Well, the plants survived the storm. That's my mosquito plant. Water lettuce and this cabbage is looking really good. I've still got to plant these right here, which is 16 more cabbages live in this apartment. But as you can see, oh man, it looks good. Everything's nice. My plants survived. These peppers have got to be picked. I might try to pick them this evening. I've been kind of sick all day. I think I've got food poisoning. I threw up. I've had diarrhea. I know everybody don't want to hear all that, but it is what it is. I haven't ate anything since yesterday evening, just sipping on Powerade and water. Look how big these peppers are. They're huge. And they're weighing the plants down. That's why I need to get these off. They're making them bend over like, you know, bushes. Look here. All right, so my plants did survive, thank God. As you can see, the rainbow's still there.